Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is actually the very first video on this channel, and basically I'll be going out taking you through what you should expect out of this channel. Basically this channel is created to actually help you get that crypto money. Like basically we want to get a lot out of the cryptocurrency, make a lot of money out of it, and we'll be going through routes of getting airdrops, degen trades, getting crypto jobs, etc. So if that sounds like what you like, make sure you actually subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the bell notification icon so you do not miss any update will be dropping on this particular channel. I myself personally have made a lot of money from the crypto space via airdrops especially, and also via some very good trades, degen trades, knowing how to get in early and then taking profit most especially. And I've also gotten some few jobs here and there on the crypto space, so I have a lot to actually to share with you guys. So getting started, there are things you actually need to actually get yourself ready to venture into making money in the crypto space. Number one, you need your Twitter account. Most of you, I'm sure, have Twitter accounts, and some of you who do not actually have a Twitter account, you can easily go to Twitter, or X as it may be called, and create an account for yourself. And you also need a Discord account. You need a Discord account. So this is what it looks like. I'll be dropping a link to Discord below this video, in the description of this video. So make sure you actually sign up to Discord. And this is actually the Discord to Mavia game, so shout out to Mavia. I actually got their airdrop. And you also need a Telegram account. So I'm sure most of you already have a Telegram account, and you actually need it in your quest to actually make money in the crypto space. Then I will be introducing you to some websites like CoinMarketCap here. This website actually helps you to get certain information about happenings in the crypto space, which has to deal with the current market caps of certain coins, some statistics about how they're performing, like the top cryptocurrencies, their percentage rise in an hour, 24 hours, 7 days, their volume of trade, current circulating supply, etc. And most importantly, you also be getting just basically which ones are trending and certain information you need on this particular on different projects. You'll be getting it from this particular platform. Then another one is also CoinGecko, which is actually similar to CoinMarketCap. You also get most of those information you get from CoinMarketCap on CoinGecko. But subsequently, in subsequent videos, I'll be showing you how you can actually take advantage of this platform, both CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, to actually get some free cryptocurrencies for yourself, which translates to money actually, because you can actually trade those cryptocurrencies for money or for fiat currencies, and you'll be able to use them. So basically, this is just an intro to this channel. You need to sign up for this particular account. You need a Twitter account. You need a Discord account. You need a Telegram account. You also need to create an account on on CoinMarketCap, and also on CoinGecko. Also, you need a wallet. There are several wallets, but the most common, or one of the very common one, is MetaMask wallet. And in the description of this video, I'll be dropping a link to a tutorial on my other channel on how you can actually set up your own MetaMask wallet, and how you can get it ready to actually dive into airdrop hunting, and how to actually dive into degen trading, like DeFi as a whole, because you definitely need a wallet which you actually have control over. So I'll be dropping a link to my other YouTube channel, where you can actually get detailed information on how to set up the MetaMask wallet, how to import different networks on it, and different currencies and the rest. So there will be a link to that video. It's actually, will I say, a playlist of various videos for you to actually go through. So make sure you actually go through them, and also hit the subscribe button on that channel. Make sure you subscribe to it, and then you are good to go. So get ready for, will I say, subsequent updates on this particular channel. But before you go, do well to actually subscribe to, or will I say, follow me on Twitter or X, as the case may be, and also make sure you join our Telegram community. The link will be in the description of this video. Stay blessed.